Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Srijala. In this session, we learn the series programming in C language. So first, share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now yes is open. So yes, Alt F file menu and taking new file. And here our code write a program to print series and sum of series. Yes, sum of that series means sum of series as following. Yes, so which type of, so here we can take three series. So first is 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. 2 is fixed and 4 uh, upon 2. So and then plus, so that is a n number of times. So here n upon 2. 2 is fixed. Now second, so that is a 1 upon 2 and then directly 3, so that is a odd number and 2 is a fixed upon, so directly 5 upon 2 and last, that is 7 upon 2 and then plus sign, and that is n number of time 2, and third series, that is odd. Odd we have to take as now even, so that is 0 upon 2 plus directly 4. 2 upon 2 means 4, that answer, and 4 upon 2 and that 6 upon 2. So first is all even odd, both combination general, and then even odd series, that is same. So we have to solve that 3. So first we can take some paperwork, that is known as, so 2 raised to 1 raised to 2, so that is 1, and 2 raised to 2, so that is a 4. I directly give the answer means that calculation. So 3 raised to 2, so that is a 9. So first three terms, and uh, now yes, and we can take yes, four term, yes, no problem. So 4 multiply 4, so 16. So that is a answer 30. Yes, that is, and you have to take 3, so that is 14 answers. We have to take both, and now 1, that is a fix means, and directly 9. Yes, then 25, then 7, so that is a very big, so 749. Yes, so that is a answer. Let us check, calculate. So we can say that 10, 35, and that 35, 4. Yes, and 4, that is we have to take. So 84. Yes, that is 84. Let us check. So that is a 10. Yes, and here 35, and now next means our term, that is 49. So I think that correct, I think so. 49, let us check. So yes, 4, and yes, now correct. So answer is 84. So 4 term we have to consider. And now last series, so 0 upon 2, so that is a 0. Yes, that is a, I think maths, we have to take 0, no any value, and 4. Yes, that and next 16. Yes, and now that 60, so that is a 36. So 20. Yes, 20, and we can take 20, and so 56 answer. Yes, so 20. Yes, and yes, now perfectly. So let us check. Yes, we have some paperwork. So four term we have to consider in all that three series. So that is similar. We have to take even odd and general means both combination. So now we can include our header file. So some paperwork is must done in series programming. So we can get the perfect idea that is correct answer or not. And here power function we have to use. So math.h header file is required. And now void main. So here can in main we have to declare three variable. So first I, n, and then sum is also integer. So that is 0. So garbage value is gone and clear the screen. And here we can print also series. So first we can enter how many terms. So enter number of terms. Yes, if triangle and pyramid, so we can say that enter number of row and here enter number of terms. So that type of suitable message and now we can take as for loop. So I equal to 1 not 0 and less than equal to n and I plus plus. So now we can take as first print our series. So percentage d and upon sign percentage d and blank and plus blank. So that is our that I variable. Yes, and 2 is upon is fixed, so we can directly static constant value 2 and percentage d, so that is integer. Yes, perfect, our series is print. And now sum plus equal. Yes, you have to know that is compound assignment and short technique. So what to do? So our function and I upon 2. Yes, that perfectly. So look, now print our series and now we can sum. So slash n, the summation is percentage d and we can print the sum. So that is perfectly and then get ch. So that is our first. Let us check first series that print. So I can save and series that is we can say that the general or series all but 1 to 3, so that is maximum we have to 8 characters, so not taking. So series like 1 to 3 dot c. Yes, that type all means. Now I compile. Yes, what is so? Yes, here power function there is both are integer. So let us check. I think that taking in syntax. So help library I open and power function that need as a double data type. So we can pass as integer. So that is sometime creating problem, but here that no any issue. But even that zero assigned that time we get alert. Yes, here last series that we have to print, but first general series there is no any zero. So I think there is no any issue. So first three terms. So that is a 14 answer. So yes, that 14. So look, that series is perfectly our requirement print and 14. And now four term we can also calculate. So 30 answer first series. So four terms. So yes, 30. Yes, perfectly. So there is no any change. So first our goal is achieved and first our answer is correct. So we can take as paperwork. So we can identify yes that perfect answer and perfect our logic. So now what to do? So here we can take now odd series. So I plus equal to 2. So yes, you have to know I equal to I plus 2. That is a full form, this short technique. And here I also use the short technique. So that is the same meaning. Sum equal to sum plus power and that is I comma 2. Yes, so here what to do? So here if I directly jump to and we can provide like uh, let us check first what is a not a error, but we have to provide like three term but that answer only two terms because I less than n but I directly jump 2, so yes 10. So 1 upon 2, so that is 1 and 3 upon so 9 10. Yes, two terms answer. we provide three term. So what is solution? Here we can multiply n equal to 2. So that number of term we can achieve. So that is a solution. So look, now third term. So first two term 10 answer and 5 upon 2. So 25 and 10, 35. Yes, correct. And our calculation is a 4 term. So let us check. I provide the 4 terms. So yes, 84 perfectly. So 7 multiply 7, so 49 and 35, so 84. So we can take as paperwork. Now I think last, that is second, our goal is achieved, and last our goal. So what to do? So here we can start the zero. Yes, but that power function, I think that taking the problem in that zero. So let us check first, give the proper answer or not. So yes, there is no any change is required. So we can take as first two term, but all are zero. You can look here. So what to do? And zero we have to start, and we can provide two terms. So that consider is a three terms. So first solution is a here equal sign is not required in the even series. Equal sign because we have to start as zero. So now let us check. I save and compile and run. So that is I give three terms. So now that perfectly three terms is there, but sum is zero because that is a I previously told you. So here power function all are integer and zero we have to pass, that creating problem. So here what to do? So here type casting. Yes, so because here sum is integer and here all are integer, but our function need is a float data type. So that zero time that creating error. Now let us check. So I give three terms. Yes, that also zero. So what to do? So yes, let us check. We can provide as watch window. Yes, I taking the watch here was two terms. Yes, all are zero is there. So control F8 and we can take alter W and watch what is exactly in the inner process and alter W output window. So now I can trace alter R and F7 function key. So I can first I can run this program control F9. So we can take three terms. So look what is exactly in watch window. So here there are only three variable I, then n, and then sum. So now I initialize zero, yes, perfectly. And our first term, yes, output window, you can watch that perfectly print our first term and sum that assigned to zero and that zero upon two. So that is a zero, yes, that perfectly. Now I plus plus, so that is a two in watch window and 2 raised to 2, so that is a 4. Yes, and that sum, yes, that sum is not changed, so that is a creating problem. All are any no effect in the sum variable, so that is a 0. So yes, so what is a solution? So here right, yes, so here that taking problem. So yes, here typecasting is needed. So yes, here we can also provide as a float. So let us check that work or not. So three terms, yes, now that perfectly, yes, look. So that is a taking typecasting problem. So three term 20, so 0 upon 2, so that is a 0, 2 raised to 2, so 4 and 4 raised to 2, so 16, 16 plus 4, that 20, yes. And we can calculate four terms, so 56 answer. Let us check. So now I can provide four terms, yes, 56. So correct, there is no issue. So we can take the watch window and find out the sum always in that series that taking problem because float power function taking the double or float. So here you can also typecasting the double. So that is sometime creating problem. So that is a solution of that power function need to the typecasting or taking the float. But here our I is an integer variable because that is a number of counting the terms, and n is less than or that is no equal to, because that is start is 0. So one start there is no equal sign is required, but 0 you can like an array programming, so we cannot assign to equal sign. But if we series programming one start, so you can I less than or equal to n that required. So yes, I think that is perfectly. So we can take one error that is generated. So we can also solve. There is no any issue. So in this session, we can take three series different type upon two. So general, then we can take as a uh, odd series and then even series. And first we can take as paperwork and step by step, and we can also print the series and that sum of that series. That is very important of the session. So very simple logic we have to define. And you can hear typecasting also in double. So let us check I double. So what is any error or any issue? There is no, I think. So yes, no any issue. So because power function need as double data type, and now I can remove these two. So let us check that work or not. So we can all testing. So yes, now there is no need. So only here require one as double typecasting in power function, that is a needed only. So that is a one instruction pass in ALU arithmetic in logic, that is I in calculate that time you consider as a double data type, but original that data type is a integer I variable, here declare as an integer, but only that arithmetic and logic unit, that is ALU, that pass to one instruction by compiler. So that is typecasting. So all are well. So yes, write this program to your C notebook. If you prepare very simple and interesting that three series we have to take in this session. So now I can close that file, Alt F3 function key and watch window output and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok C Chalai Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.